Look at the condition of this hospital. The name of hospital is Lita Hospital. So since long it is unattended, having a lot of infrastructure, but people are fighting each other. Hama group, Lenda group, always fighting, and people cannot come here. The problem is the nearest hospital far away, which is at the Bunia. Probably it is 40 kilometers away from this location. So wherever the people are suffering, even the pregnant lady cannot get the help of this hospital. They go normally where? In the bush. So probably time has come to realize no more fight. So we have to stay together. Peaceful living can be the only can add the values in establishing peace.
Nice meeting, sir.
That is second time to meet you.
Excellency, the Vice Governor of Ituri Province, Police Chief Benjamin Alonga Boni. Now, I would like to request the Northern Sector Commander, Brigadier General Muhsin to deliver his speech.
Today, I am deeply honored and privileged to be in this inauguration ceremony of the Katoto-Lita Djili road rehabilitation. In this context, it was given the highest priority to rehabilitate the road from the mission perspective.
Just cut it.
Yeah, no?
Okala, probably it's the time to realize no more fight. Have friendship. No more fight. Because you fight, you lose.